We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
So now you know the direction of your home, we really need to start thinking about the wet areas. One of the things that I get asked a lot in looking at doing a Hamptons design is the Carrara marble look. And these particular tiles that we've found here are absolutely beautiful. Now, they've got all the advantages of the look of the Carrara marble, but this is actually a recycled glass that is crushed down into a powder format, put into a mould and then laser printed in all different patterns so that you never get one the same. One of the things that natural marble does is it absorbs and stains, whereas this being a recycled glass product, you're not going to have that problem. One of the common mistakes that people make is that they tend to put this everywhere. What you want to do is that you want to really create that beautiful feature in a look of either an ensuite or a powder room, really those areas that give it the wow factor. One way that you can actually modernise this look is by using a grey grout to really create a feature. Instead of just using a plain old 300 by 600 tile or even a subway tile, replace it with this that's really going to create a beautiful feature on either a splashback or even a wall or floor tile. It just gives you a beautiful look.